Hey guys, welcome back to Software Traveler. Elrigo Namaskara. So a lot of people were asking me how much is what is the rent of an apartment in Dubai. So this is one of the areas which is in the heart of Dubai. Which area is this? I'll link it in the description below. So one of my friends, she works in Dubai and she stays in Dubai. So she's rented an apartment which I'm in right now. So I'll show you the entire apartment and what is the cost of the apartment. So as you know, Dubai is very expensive. So let's see the apartment tour, and I'm going to give you all the details on what is the rent, what is the electricity charges, what is the water, what is the water charges, what is the maintenance, and how much is the overall cost of an apartment in if you want to rent an apartment in Dubai. Like I said, this is a very good area. It's in the new Dubai. It's not in the Bud Dubai. So we'll take a look at the apartment tour. So let's go. Yeah, so as soon as you enter, this is the entire apartment. So as soon as you enter, this is the washing machine. As you can see, this is the entire kitchen in this apartment. You can see the apartment is very small, but if you hear the price of this apartment, you'll be mind blown. This is the sink. It's got some space for all the utensils and groceries. So as you can see, there's an emergency cylinder there. So this is a very small kitchen, and this is the gas stove, this is the chimney, and this is the grill section. So if you want to grill any meat, this looks like a perfect grill. And you got some charging ports here, and all the utensils, and some more space for utensils. So this thing is kitchen. So once you enter, so this is kitchen, and now let's look at the bathroom. So this is the bathroom space. And this is your main switchboard, and this has got a centralized AC. So you can control the room's AC through a centralized operating system. Yeah, your AC is right there, those two guys. So, and this is the wardrobe space. The wardrobe space, as you can see, it's got a three space wardrobe. So this is one, and it opens up like this. And it's got another space. So this is all the wardrobe space that you get. And this apartment, when my friend moved in, it is fully furnished. So watch the video till the end to know the price. Do not skip the video. So this is another small section where it's more of a study table and a dining table. And this is the main bed. And this is actually the TV cabinet. The TV is not yet installed because she recently moved in. So the TV cabinet would come here. And this is the sofa set. So when you come down from the entrance, the left side would be the bathroom, and the right side is the kitchen. This is the dining table cum study table. This is the bed. This is the TV cabinet. And this is the sofa set. So if you go outside, the balcony is very good. The best part about the house is the balcony, in my opinion at least. So as you can see, the balcony space is very good, and you can almost hear the traffic sound. So this is the balcony. So you can see it's got a wonderful view. So right from there, you can see Burj Khalifa at the back end. You can't see Burj Khalifa from here. But there's a lot of malls, like Marina Mall is what my friend told. I'm not sure about the mall's name. I'll link it in the description below. But as you can see, this is the entire space, and it looks pretty lavish. It's the view, in my opinion, is the best part of the apartment. This is 6th floor, which I'm in right now. So as you can see, this is the apartment door. I'll just go back inside because there's a lot of traffic sound and my voice might not be audible. So I'll just go back inside. Yeah. So yeah, so this apartment, like you saw, this is like a studio apartment. There is no separate bedroom, hall, or kitchen as it is in a studio apartment. So this is if you have roughly guessed the price, this is around 40,000 dirhams per annum. So if you calculate per month in Indian money, it's around 70,000 rupees per month. So it is that expensive, and also 2,000 dirhams had to be paid as an advance, which she will get it back once she vacates the apartment. And about the exact details about the water and the electricity, I'll link it in the description below. I'll get the exact cost from my friend. I'll link it in the description below. But as I said, this is 40,000 dirhams per annum. So it roughly comes, if you divide it by 12, it roughly comes around 70,000 rupees per month INR. So which is very, very expensive. Like I said, it's not even a BHK. It's a studio apartment where everything would be in the open space. So this is how expensive living in Dubai is. So this is in actually a very, very good area. So the apartment prices vary a lot. So this is just an overview of my friend's apartment. So I came down here, as you know, I'm just about to end my Dubai trip. So on the last day, I just came down to my friend's place to show you tour of a studio apartment, or how expensive is an apartment, and an entire overview of how an apartment looks like in Dubai. So I just also came to know that most of the apartments is like this, a studio based type apartment. So I'm not sure whether it is like a normal traditional apartments like in India, like a 1 BHK or 2 BHK. So but this is like this small space is how expensive it is in Dubai. So yeah, so if you have any questions regarding this, or if you're moving to Dubai and if you want to know how expensive or how to negotiate or which area to find, so she took this apartment based on her office need. So her office is very, very close by. So she wanted to take this apartment space, as it's close to her office. So if you have any questions, or if you want to know about this area, like I said, I'm not sure exactly about which area it is. I think it is Al Khail. Metro station is about 2 kilometers from here if you want to use the metro, because metro is very convenient to pass throughout the city. So this is Al Khail metro station. Al Khail area, and it is very close to the metro station as well, about 2 kilometers. If you're planning to take a taxi, or if you're planning to get a ride to the metro station. So if you want to know more about Dubai, or if you want to know about this area, or if you want to know where is the best place to rent an apartment for even lesser price than this, so you can ping me on Instagram or comment in the comment section. I'll try to give maximum information by contacting my friend. So I hope this video was helpful. Like now I'm just checking out. I already checked out from my hotel, so I've come to my friend's place to just give you guys an studio apartment tour, and then head back to the airport. I'll be leaving to airport in some time, maybe an hour or so. So within that time, I just wanted to show you guys how this apartment give an apartment tour in Dubai. So this is an example kind of an apartment. So if you have any questions, feel free to ping me on Instagram, or put in the comment section. I'll try to fetch information from my friend and pass it on to you. I hope this video was very, very informative to you guys. So if you found this video helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and share it with your friends, whoever wants to know about how expensive a studio apartment is in Dubai. And if they want to know more, if they're moving through work, or if they're moving through a business trip, if they're here for like 2 to 3 months, or if they want to find a place. So if you have any questions on this, please feel free to ping me on Instagram. I'll give you all the right information. So I hope this video was information to you guys. So I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, take care.